I'm Connor Alfs and I'm going to be joining the Level 4 music course in September.
Hi, I'm Scott Jones. I'm one of the music tutors here at Ngholeg y Cymoedd and I'll be course tutor for the new Level 4 Extended Diploma for Creative Practitioners. The new Level 4 course is something we're really excited about here at the college, and it's going to be a course that we envisage to be tailored at songwriters, producers, composers for TV and film, mixing engineers and even recording engineers.
Ultimately I want to be a producer, so the Level 4 course was perfect for me as it allows me to work with other artists, working on EPs, mixing and producing, to eventually get to my dream job.
During the first lockdown in 2020, we started a college record label that has now become student-run. We've released 4 songs on the record label so far, 2 of which have been playlisted on Spotify. Every learner at Ngholeg y Cymoedd has the opportunity to release music through our own independent record label, and we would love to release your music. On this one-year programme, we envisage the focus being branding and promotional materials, and during the course you'll be able to develop a portfolio of promotional materials that you'll then be able to use after the course is finished. Alongside achieving an academic qualification, what we envisage is this course allows you to build a professional practice and platform that will launch your career into the music industry on completion.